pa ito hanggang dito sa may beer.
Ano lang?
From experience to beer. Kasi gagawa ka ng commercial.
Red Horse.
Commercial ng Red Horse. My favorite taste and service satisfying strong of a world class premier strong beer.
Hindi, hawak ko kami.
Experience and matter of fact. Hindi ko kaya, friend. Pwede mamaya na lang.
As a matter of fact,
As a fact of fact,
I use it every day in my cereal.
everyday siya na bangin.
Thank you so much. This is Jumper.
Thank you so much, JMCS.
You.
You.
Uy,
This is Jumper.